my channel. I'm Sumana and today I'm going to share with you my everyday go-to look which I carry basically in my college or on my shoot. It's very simple and easy for everyone, and I use only 5 products in this look. So we can't use so many products on everyday basis. If you are an office or college going girl, I know you don't have so many time to get ready. You must try this look for get yourself very decent, presentable and confident in your everyday life. You just need 5 to 10 minutes to achieve this look. So let's get started. First, I moved all the hair with a hairband, and before starting the makeup, as always, I clean my face with a face wash and then apply some moisturizer and sunscreen. Now I start my makeup with this Lakme CC cream, and my shade is 03 Bronze. Just take this amount of cream and apply on my face with my fingers like this. I choose CC cream over the foundation because it's very lightweight and looks very natural on skin. Also, it's absorbed quickly. Also, don't forget to apply on your neck area, otherwise it looks very weird. Now for eyebrows, because I have dark brows, I nothing to use on it, just comb it with this brush and that's it. If you have very light eyebrows, use a little bit of mascara on it. I suggest you always pluck your eyebrows after 2 or 3 weeks later depending on your hair growth, and trust me, it make your whole look 10 times better even without makeup. Next, I take this Lakme eyeliner and draw a very thin single line. So I am not a kajal person. If you like to apply kajal, then definitely go for it. Choice all yours. I prefer to use liner because it stay longer for me. Now I use mascara for my lashes, and here I use this Lakme Iconic Mascara. I just love use it because it's make a huge difference on your whole makeup. As you can see, it gives a very nice volume on my lashes. Sometimes when I haven't time to use liner, I just apply mascara and I good to go. Then I apply Lakme Compact Powder to set my makeup, and its shade is 03 Golden Sand. I have oily skin type, so powder helps to control the extra oil on my face, otherwise it looks so patchy. Lastly, I finish my look with this 5-in-1 multicolor lipstick from Huda Beauty. I use it on my cheeks first for a cute sun-kissed look and blend it with my finger. I choose different color in different days, depend on my mood. Today I use this nude shade which perfect for office or college. So this is my everyday basic look. I hope you find this video helpful, and if is it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and press the bell to get notification when I upload new video. And I see you soon with my next video. Till then, bye.